River Lily here. So I'm getting a lot of questions about the microphone that came with the Essential Vlogging Kit. This is my microphone. It's in pieces. So I'm going to explain to you why. Supposedly, you were supposed to be able to put a battery in it. So I inspected the microphone looking for the place where the battery would go. You see this. There's an arrow there. This was up like that over that. And on the back there, it looks like there was a switch or a button or something and a screw. This button, it doesn't move. It doesn't do anything. This arrow, all I got from trying to twist the arrow or push up on the arrow or slide down on the arrow is a broken microphone. So, as of now, the microphone's garbage. The only thing I was able to figure out, aside from a battery, is there's this plug. So I tried plugging the plug into my phone jack, and I didn't get anywhere with that either. I couldn't tell if it was making a difference, if it was doing anything different, if it was recording. There's no lights on the microphone. There's nothing there that shows you that the microphone is working. The kit that I purchased was good for the tripod. I like the tripod. I'm being a little biased because it is my very first tripod. I don't own any others. And the light seems to be pretty good. At least from what my husband J-Drone told me. But as far as the microphone goes, the microphone in my kit seems to be garbage. It's useless. I can't do anything with it. And again, it broke very easily when trying to figure out where a battery compartment could be. And as you can see, there's nowhere here to put a battery. There really isn't. Like, there was suggestions that it was up by where the cable went. Well, there's the cable. There's the back of it. There's nowhere on there to put this battery that I was told. And even on the inside there, if you can see in there, there's nowhere in there to put a battery. So I really don't know, guys. If you figure it out and you want to share with me, please do. But as of now, I'm just going to say the microphone's crap. I'm happy with the other equipment in the kit. This was River Lily, and thank you for watching.